Hello there, so today I want to show you how to inverse column in Mumble View in GroovePages. So actually this is a question from Rob that dropped me an email into my inbox via my website, and I was pretty happy to help him to fix that actually small glitch, or actually small tweak that we want in GroovePages. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to know more about hacks in GroovePages and how to improve the tools that you use for your business, just subscribe to the channel above or below. So let's do it. So currently this is my website. So what actually Rob was looking to do actually is that when we are in mobile, for example here, so this is the website, the public website. So if you reduce the size, as usual, when you move the size of your screen, or if you have different view device, you will see that two columns like that will end up this one above and this one below. So if I go like way, it's going below. In the case that Rob's what he wants, it's to have actually this text or this image above the text. So you want to inverse these two columns. Same here. If you can see here, the image goes above and the text below. So we may want to inverse these one. So how we can do this? So I have put in the description below a link to this document. So the step that you need to do is that first to add code to the site or the page. So we will see where we can add this code. This code tells you actually that when the screen size of your device is below 760, then find a div where a class inverse column is written and take the child div to add this text to it. Okay. So this is the code that will make the image and the text actually to alternate. You will after that need to select the layout 2 of your section and add the class element inverse column here. So let's look into that into the website, into GroovePage. So this is the same website. Actually, it's a bit different because in another video I will show you how to integrate GrooveBlog and GroovePages together. Even if it's two apps different, you can have a great actually integration lookalike, and I will give you some tips about that. So if you're interested to have more information on this, subscribe to the channel also so you can be notified when I will release my next video. So if we want to inverse these two, so the first thing that I have done, since I wanted to just apply this inversion to this page, what I have done is to come into Home, Edit Setting, and at the end of the CSS section, I added the code that you saw in the document that I showed previously. So media style. So you only have to copy this there. If you want to have it accessible everywhere in your site, actually you will place it in the site setting. So in site setting, you will have a custom CSS section here. You just copy and paste the code there. So when it's at the level of the sites, it will be for all pages. You will only have to add the class to the item, to the element. But if you do it at the page, you will need to add the code at each page. So it's depending on your use. So when this is done, you want to find the row that you want to affect with this. So for example, you select the image here. And in the selector here, you see container and layout 2. You have to select layout 2, okay? You can do this by going that way. Now I'm in container, now I'm in layout 2. Or you can go by only selecting the layout 2 here, okay? Once this is selected, you take the edit option here. So this is a new feature from the last update of February, mid-February from GroovePages. To get out the panel here, and you go into the custom attribute, and in the custom attribute, in the element class attribute, you will paste the inverse column class. This will be applied to the layout 2 here, and the code CSS that I showed you a few moments ago will look to this and will apply change to that element. Same thing here. If I go up and go up, I am in the layout 2 and I will go into here and I can add the class element here. I will not add it, so you will see that both rows are having different behavior. So I will save, and so publish is complete. Going back to my test site, I will hard refresh the site. If I come here and I reduce, this image should go below, but with the fix it will go above. And here this text will go below. If I go to this like that, and as you can see, the image here is above and the image here is also above, but this is normal since I didn't change it. If I wanted to have something probably more interesting, I could inverse these two. So I add the image below the how I can help you and have this image above there, below there. So it could be interesting also as a layout. So it's pretty it. So it's quite simple actually. You will have everything in this document. You can copy and paste this text and you can copy and paste this text and you will be good to go to have the inverse column in mobile view. Hope it helped. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know when I will have new video getting out for GroovePage or other product review, just hit the bell button and hope you have a great day. Bye bye.